Hello children, this is Manju Maharatra with a video on letter of cancelling the order. Now letter of cancelling the order is another form of a business letter. So as you have already seen that we had learned how to draft a letter of placing order. Then we had learned the letter of reminders, how to write the letter of reminders and remind the person for sending us the product if the products have not reached to us. And now in the third part we are going to learn how to cancel the order. Now the thing is, why should we cancel the order? We had placed the order for certain items. What is the need of now cancelling that order? So here I have written that these letters are written when the order placed to the firm or company doesn't reach to you even after repeated reminders or otherwise. That is, you had placed the order for certain items with a firm or a company, and now the company is not sending to you the order within the time period that was given by you, or even when you have sent the reminders, it is not sending you the order, then you can cancel the order. So that is why we cancel the order. Or sometimes when we do not need that order, sometimes it may happen that the things are already available in your nearby area at very concessional rate, so you may not place an order with that firm, then also you can cancel. So whatever may be the case. Now the format of this letter of cancelling the order is similar to all the other formal letters. We'll discuss it when we solve the answer. Now let us see the value points. What value points are we going to adhere to when we write a letter of cancelling the order? The first thing is we must write the reference of order number with date. That is, you get an order number. When you place the order, you get an order number. So that order number must be mentioned. This becomes your reference. And then on which date you had placed the order, that should also come. The second value is reasons for cancelling the order and necessary details. Why are you cancelling the order? What is the reason? Just don't say that I don't want the order. Please write down the reason for it. Whether the person is not giving you the supplies on time, or whether the response is not good, or whatever. Then the third thing is the list of items in the order. You may repeat the items that you have placed the order for. In short, you can repeat it. So the list of all the items must be there. Then avoid wrong information. In the letter, everything should be very genuine. Don't give or don't furnish any wrong information that may bring a bad reputation or a bad name for you. Then the next value point is refund of money in case of advance given. Sometimes we send a draft in advance, or sometimes we send the money in advance. So in case you are cancelling that order and if your money is already sent, then you can also ask for its refund. But if you have not sent the money, then this point will not be of use. Then the sixth point is apologize for cancelling the order. Of course, we need to be very polite. So we will feel sorry. I regret to cancel the order. I feel sorry for cancelling the order. And then use short and clear sentences. Our letter must be short and clear so that it may be understood well, and the tone must be polite and formal. So these are the value points that we will make use of. Now, the useful expressions. What are the useful expressions that we can make use in writing a letter of cancelling the order? I have given you 4 expressions. Out of 4, you can choose any one and can continue with the letter. So my first expression is, this has reference to our order number. We will mention here the order number. We will create any, because it's in our examination we are not going to get the order number. We will create any XYZ, anything. Dated. This date will be some back date of 1 month or 15 days. Regarding the supply of, now whatever order you had given for, like furniture or electrical items or whatever, supply of that will come. The second expression is, this is to inform you that. So you can begin with your letter This is to inform you that my order number this for the supply of electrical items stand, cancel whatever. Third is, I regret to bring to your notice that the sales service of your firm is very poor. You can begin your letter in this way also, and therefore my order, and then you can continue. My fourth expression is very formal. I express my deep dismay, that is shock, and displeasure at the non-execution of the order. If your order is in bulk, you can add of the bulk order that we place with you for the purchase of, and then put the name of item, purchase of electrical goods or whatever, on, and then put down the bad date. So in this way, out of any four expressions, you can use any one. Now in letter of cancelling the order also, you are going to maintain 3 paragraphs. Divide your content into 3 paragraphs. First, the reference. Second, the list of the items. And third, you will make it very clear that you are now cancelling it. So now I have taken a sample question for you to make you understand it better. My question is, you are Sahil / Sulina, the hostel warden of Zenith Public School, Noida. So the complete address is given. You are Sahil or Sulina. You are the hostel warden designation, and you belong to the Zenith Public School. The place is Noida. Now, what had you placed the order for? You had placed an order for certain electrical items like microwave ovens, geysers, tube lights, fans, etc. for the hostel. Now, to whom you had placed the order? With Bharat Electronics Limited, New Delhi. As the delivery of the items has not been done in time, you decide to cancel the order. So now by this we can understand that we have to write a letter of cancelling it. Write a letter of cancelling the order to the sales manager. To whom we have to address? To the sales manager of the firm. Firm is already given here. Bharat Electronics Limited, New Delhi. In not more than 150 words. The marking scheme remains common. Format will fetch you 1 mark. Content, that is your paragraphs which you divide into 3, will fetch you 3 marks. And of course expression, that is grammar, correct spellings, and overall organization of the letter will give you 2 marks. So let's see how we are going to solve this answer. So you see, first I put my designation, hostel warden. The name of the school, Zenith Public School, and the place, Noida. After complete entry of my own address, I have left 1 line. Then I have put down today's date, 7th May 2020. Then again after this I have left 1 line. Then I have addressed. The person was that I had to write down to the sales manager. If this is not given, you can create any, the sales manager or the manager, the proprietor. So the sales manager. Then the next, the name of the firm, Bharat Electronics Limited. Karol Bagh I have created from my side, and then New Delhi. So after complete address, I have left 1 line. Then I have written down subject, cancellation, because my letter is of cancellation. So cancellation of our order number. Now I have created ZPS. I have taken from Zenith Public School, ZPS / 123. Then I have left 1 line and written down dear sir. Now here children, sometimes children feel confused whether we should write first salutation and then the subject, or first the subject and the salutation. See, both are correct. Either you can begin with the first the subject, or you can begin with the salutation. Both are correct. So you can follow any form. Then leave 1 line, and my first paragraph starts. This has reference to our order number. Now this order number ZPS / 123 dated. Now I will put down the date, back date, 15th March 2020. regarding the bulk purchase of electrical items for our school hostel. That is, I had given you the order for a huge quantity regarding the electrical items which I needed for my school hostel. After this detail, I have left one line and changed the paragraph. That is the second paragraph, written down the list of items. I regret, see, I'm using the language, I'm apologizing. I regret to inform you that the order for 2 microwave ovens, 20 ceiling fans, 15 geysers and 20 tube lights has not been delivered to us even after repeated reminders. I'm writing down that many times I've written to you after 15th, the date had gone of the delivery of the item. I had reminded you many times, but you have not paid any response to it or no explanation was given. So I have written down this in the second paragraph. So repeat the list. Then I've left one line to change the third paragraph, and here see how I have ended my letter. The time factor makes a lot of difference. If the supplies are irregular, we have to suffer and we have to purchase the items from other sources. So I have written down that if your supplies are irregular, we have to suffer badly and then we have to search for another sources from where we can get the goods. And then how see I have ended? Since you have not given any explanation for the delay, our order stands cancelled. Or you can say, because of your poor sales response, my order stands cancelled. Kindly take note of it. Then leave a line, yours truly, Sahil or Sulina, whatever the case may be. I hope you have understood how to write a letter of cancelling the order. Thank you.